Start a business in India. Starting a business in India involves several legal, financial, and operational steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step-by-step guide to start a business in India. No one. Decide the business idea and model. Solve a real problem or offer a needed product or service. Decide if you want to start alone or with partners. Examples: e-commerce, manufacturing, app development, real estate, food business. No. 2. Choose the right business structure. Choose based on your vision, investment, and liability preferences. Type suitable for proprietorship, single owner, small business partnership, small business with shared control, LLP, limited liability, partnership, medium size, less compliance, private limited company, startups, funded businesses, OPC, one-person company, solo entrepreneurs with liability protection. Number 3, register your business. Depending on your structure, register with MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, or state authority. Proprietor, no formal registration needed, but GST/shop license required. Partnership, register under the Partnership Act. LLP/Pvt Ltd/OPC, register on MCA portal. Number 4, get necessary registrations. Most businesses need PAN and TAN, GST registration if turnover 40 lakh rupees or interstate supply, Udyam MSME registration, shop and establishment license, FSSAI for food businesses. Import-export code if international trade, No. 5. Open a business bank account. Use company PAN, registration documents and address proof. Prefer current accounts with good transaction limits. Item number 6. Set up accounting and compliance. Use software like Tally, Zoho Books, or QuickBooks. File GST, TDS, and ITR as applicable. Maintain regular books and invoices. Number 7. Build your brand and go to market. Choose a business name and domain. Create social media pages, website, and online presence. Start with digital marketing or offline branding depending on audience. SAFU. No. 8. Hire and scale. Hire based on need. Marketing, operations, sales, support. Use legal HR policies and employee agreements. Focus on customer feedback, quality, and innovation. No. 9. Funding, optional. Once validated, raise money via friends and family. Business loans, banks, NBFCs, government schemes like CGTMSE. Angel investors or VCs if scalable startup. Number 10. Stay compliant and grow. File ITR, GST returns and other compliances on time. Renew licenses. Keep adapting based on market trends. Need help? I can help you with name and brand suggestions, registration steps, private limited, LLP, etc., legal documentation, business pitch deck or financial plan. Contact on Teejarat or call or message on this No. 8810461758.